Welcome to PlantCareGarden. Have you ever wondered why some Anthuriums bloom all year long, while others produce plenty of leaves, but very few flowers? In today's video, I'll share a simple care method using a common kitchen ingredient that can help your plant grow healthier, develop glossier leaves, and support natural blooming. The results after a few weeks may surprise you. Stay until the end of the video to discover this simple secret. To care for my Anthurium today, I will use aloe vera, a natural ingredient loved by many plant enthusiasts. 1. Choose a fresh and healthy aloe vera leaf. I then cut it into small pieces to release the nutrient-rich gel inside, allowing the beneficial compounds to blend more effectively into the solution. Next, I place all the chopped aloe vera into a clean glass jar. This is the first step in creating a simple natural solution that can help support healthier Anthurium growth. The second ingredient I use is cinnamon powder. It is a familiar ingredient that many plant enthusiasts appreciate for the benefits it can provide as part of plant care. I add about 3 tablespoons of cinnamon powder to the glass jar containing the prepared aloe vera. Then, I pour in about 1,000 milliliters of clean water and stir well to combine the ingredients. Cinnamon powder is a natural ingredient often used by plant enthusiasts in plant care. When combined with aloe vera, this mixture may help create a favorable growing environment and support healthy plant growth. Which country are you watching this video from? I'm delighted to welcome you to PlantCareGarden. Leave a comment below and let me know. It's amazing that we can connect and share our love for plants with people from all around the world. Next, I cover the jar and let the mixture steep for about 1 hour, allowing the natural compounds from the aloe vera and cinnamon to gradually infuse into the water. Before starting the next care steps, I will inspect the overall condition of the Anthurium plant. Upon closer inspection, I noticed several leaves with yellow or burned edges and a few flowers that had started to wilt. These leaves and flowers are no longer growing well, yet they still consume some of the water and nutrients absorbed by the plant each day. By removing them in time, the plant can focus more energy on new leaves, healthy roots, and future blooms. Therefore, I will remove the yellowing leaves and wilted flowers to improve airflow and help the plant absorb nutrients more effectively in the next care steps. In addition to Vietnamese, this video is also available in multiple languages, including English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. You can easily change the language in the video settings to enjoy the content in your preferred language. After about 1 hour of soaking, I will strain out the cinnamon residue and aloe vera pieces, keeping only the liquid that contains the dissolved natural nutrients. This filtering process helps remove the remaining cinnamon residue and aloe vera pieces from the solution, creating a cleaner and more consistent mixture. As a result, the solution becomes easier to use and allows the nutrients to come into contact with the roots and growing medium more effectively. When applied to the growing medium, the solution can spread more evenly around the root zone. This helps the plant make better use of the natural nutrients from aloe vera and cinnamon during growth. Next, I will add approximately 500 milliliters of clean water to the solution and stir well to dilute it. Diluting the solution makes it gentler and helps the nutrients distribute more evenly when applied to the growing medium or sprayed onto the leaves. Method 1. I will soak a soft cotton pad in the prepared aloe vera and cinnamon solution. Then gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves, from top to bottom, including both the upper and lower sides. This is not just a simple cleaning step but also an effective way to care for the leaves over time. Dust can accumulate on the leaf surface, reducing light absorption and affecting the plant's natural photosynthesis process. Cinnamon contains natural compounds, especially antioxidants, and components with mild antibacterial and antifungal properties. For this reason, many plant enthusiasts use cinnamon as a natural ingredient to help protect plants and maintain healthy foliage. Meanwhile, aloe vera contains enzymes, amino acids, and natural minerals. When evenly applied to the leaf surface, these compounds help the leaves appear fresher, greener, and naturally shinier. When performed regularly, this method not only keeps the leaves cleaner and more attractive but also helps maintain plant vitality, encourages healthy new growth, and makes the Anthurium stand out beautifully in any living space. Method 2. After wiping the leaves, I will pour the remaining aloe vera and cinnamon solution into a spray bottle and apply a light mist over the entire Anthurium plant, including the leaves, stems, and the area around the base of the plant. Misting helps the natural compounds in the solution spread more evenly across the entire plant. The fine droplets can reach young leaves, new shoots, and areas that are difficult to access through regular leaf wiping. Aloe vera contains enzymes, amino acids, and natural minerals that help support leaf moisture. Meanwhile, cinnamon contains natural compounds with mild antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it the popular ingredient among gardeners. When sprayed evenly over the plant, the solution not only helps the leaves appear greener and shinier but also helps the plant maintain a healthier and more vibrant appearance. Many plant lovers find that plants receiving regular misting often maintain more attractive foliage and more balanced growth. This is a simple method that can help keep your Anthurium fresh, vibrant, and visually striking in your living space. Method 3. I will use the remaining aloe vera and cinnamon solution to evenly water the entire growing medium of the Anthurium. This method focuses on the root system, which absorbs water and nutrients to support the entire plant. I will water slowly so the solution can soak evenly into the growing medium and reach the root zone more effectively. Aloe vera contains beneficial natural compounds and minerals, while cinnamon is widely used by gardeners to help maintain a healthy growing environment. When applied regularly, this mixture may help support plant vitality and more stable growth over time. Next, I will allow the growing medium to soak in the solution for about 10 minutes. This allows the growing medium to absorb the solution more effectively, helping nutrients reach the root system more efficiently. Method 4. After allowing the growing medium to soak in the solution for about 10 minutes, I will place the plant in an area with bright indirect light. This gentle natural light gives the plant time to adjust and absorb nutrients more effectively. Next, I will use a clean soft cloth to gently wipe away any remaining water droplets from the leaves. This step helps keep the foliage clean, reduces excess moisture buildup, and keeps the plant looking fresh and healthy. Once finished, I will place the plant in a well-ventilated area with gentle light so the leaves can dry naturally. This final step helps the plant recover comfortably after care and maintain its healthy appearance for longer. So, we have completed this natural Anthurium care routine using simple ingredients that are easy to find at home. Sometimes, what a plant truly needs is not expensive products, but proper care and a little patience each day. Every greener leaf, every new shoot, and every vibrant bloom is a sign that your plant is thriving. And for plant lovers, that is often the most rewarding part of the journey. Thank you for spending your time with PlantCareGarden today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, let me know which country you're watching from. See you in the next video with more exciting plant care tips.